It is often necessary to print Excel spreadsheets and graphs, so let's see some ways to do just that. To print the Excel document, click on the File tab or the Office button, then click Print in the left-hand column. The print preview and print options will appear in the Excel window. Click on the Print button to send the spreadsheet to the printer. You can change the number of copies you want, change the paper layout, choose the printer you want to use, and more. Printing single or multiple sheets, select the sheets you want to print. Printing single or multiple workbooks, all files in the workbook to be printed must be in the same folder. Click File, Open. Hold Ctrl, click on the name of each tab to be printed and click Print. Print all or part of a spreadsheet, click in the spreadsheet and select the array of data you want to print. Click on File and then Print. Under Settings, click the arrow next to Print Active Sheets and select the appropriate option. Click on a cell within the table to enable it. Click on File and then Print.